What's up, family? Hold on, I don't got my seatbelt on. Hold on 1 second. Put my seatbelt on. Alright. What's up, family? Okay, now check this out. What I'm about to do has never been done in the history of retail arbitrage because it's a selfish game. It's a selfish field. It's an industry. It's an industry that you got to be a little bit selfish, right? And secretive, and you know, all those little things, so that you can keep making the most money and more than everybody else, right? But what I'm about to do and start doing from here on out, just because I'm fortunate to make money other ways, I still make money retail arbitrage. I have a lot of online arbitrage products. I got products that I've ordered online that are coming to my house consistently. I also have items that you've seen, like I still got a bunch of items I'm sending into eBay and whatnot. I have, you know, I'm fortunate. I could travel. I have my YouTube channel. I have a home-based business here where I get commissions for like projects that I find for other companies. You know, so I get paid numerous ways, guys. So I'm not gonna be selfish. But what I'm going to do is, and people, you guys can say, oh, well, why would you do what you're about to do? Why would you do that? Like, I mean, and I'm just gonna be honest and transparent with you guys. I want to grow the channel. I want to grow the community. I want to be the best. I want to do things that no one else is doing. All right, guys. So what I'm about to do is has never been done. Oh, there was a pothole. Ooh, I didn't like that one. Has never been done in the history of retail arbitrage. People just don't do this. They don't do this because you got to be a little bit stingy and selfish. You don't want people to find your products or have your products when you can make the money. What I'm about to do, you're about to find out right now. I'm on my way to do some retail arbitrage. What I'm about to do for you guys, just watch. Just watch.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows.
Alright, so I'm in here and I'm about to do some sourcing right now. I'm gonna look for some stuff. I left my phone in the car, so I gotta go grab my phone. Can't do no sourcing without my phone. But I'm in here, I'm gonna do some sourcing. I'm gonna try to find some good profits, guys. But just stick around to the end of this video because I have a surprise, right? No one's ever did what I'm about to do. But let me go grab my phone, let me go source. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff. Be right back. Family, so check this out. There are actually 4 products back here that I would buy. The cassette recorder, it was one of them, but I think, let me show you. Let me just show you guys. Hold on. I'm just gonna show you guys. All right, so if you see, guys, this cassette, whatever this is, right? It was a tape player. 4,000 in electronics, 167 reviews. The problem is there is no price on it because you get to make your own price on it because they're out of stock right now. So you would have the only one in stock, therefore being able to make your own price. And that's right up there. That's right up there, right? So I'm not getting that. Even though I would, this is something I would actually buy and look it up and see how much I can charge for it and just make my money. So that's one item. Another item is, if I can open it right here, guys, this Radio Shack. It's like a tape recorder, also out of stock, but it has a good BSR and Office products. And it has, you know, 7 reviews, but they're all 4 stars. So I would double check with this one, but it's right there as well, and you can make your own prices for that one. And there's a few. Oh, and also the camera right here. Let's look at that camera. So there was a picture frame. This guy right here. Check this out, guys. So 2484. That's 1,000 in cameras, guys. So that's a great BSR, and it's right there, and you can make your profits right there. So that's another item I will get, and there's a couple more over here, right? So there's a few items right there, like what, 3 or 4 items that I would actually buy and send in and make a profit off of. So that's 4 items so far. We're gonna keep looking. All right, family. So check this out. Check this out, family. All right, so I scanned this guy right here, right? The George Foreman. It's popped up right here. as 112,000 in kitchen with 135 reviews, which is really good, right? And as used, it's going for 70. You'll make 70 profit. As new, it's $200 profit. So but obviously this box is opened a little bit, so we would try to probably label it as used. But if we look inside, everything's in there like brand new, the plastic and everything. But I think it might still be used. But you know, and just to be safe, I would probably list it as used. But it's selling for 20 bucks, 20 bucks right here. So. And I think purple is the color of the day, actually. So you would get this half off. You would get this for 10 bucks, and listing it as used, you would make around 60 bucks profit. Yep. You would make 60 bucks profit if you listed it as used, and it would sell fast. So that's an item right there, guys, that I would buy. That I actually would buy. But I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back right there, right where it's at. This is another item I just found. This is a Good Nights for kids. It's going for 4 bucks, and for 4 bucks, and let me find it. I just had it open. It's going for 4 bucks, and if you see right here, guys, it's 96,000 in health and personal care. I would have to double check that, but at the end of the day, it has 254 reviews, good reviews, which is amazing. So that will probably push me to buy it anyways. Now it's going for $8.52 right here, selling for 4 bucks. So you're making over 100% ROI right there, and over a couple 100% ROI on the George Foreman grill. And those are items that I would buy, right, really fast. Plus the items I showed you in the front that I would buy as well. So, and there's a lot more here, guys. There's more here. I just haven't went through it all. I've actually sold a few of these, so I know that this is a good item right here. I've sold a couple of these guys right here, so I know this is a good item as a used item as well. All these I would look up. I looked up the Twinkie one. I don't think it's a good item yet, so it may now be, so I might check it again. But there's tons of stuff here. Tons of stuff here I would buy. Alright, family, so we have routers now. A router, a Netgear back there, a wireless router in plastic, brand new right here. Yeah, I'm gonna check a few of these. As a matter of fact, let's just scan this one right now if I can find the barcode. Does it have a barcode? There we go. So let's just scan this one right now. Let's scan this and see what's going on. If it picks up, is it gonna pick up any of these? There we go. Let's see, 49,000 in PC. Not bad, but new, it's going for 36 bucks, and it's selling for 7 bucks here, guys. So this is 7 bucks, brand new, 7 bucks. Profits 36 bucks. 49,000 in PC, which is actually a little iffy in PC, but you can double check this and look for other listings. But yeah, so definitely I would look into this. That's $36. That's 30 bucks in profit right here, guys, on this item if it's a go. So definitely, and it's brand new, plastic and everything, so definitely look into that one. Then we have this guy right here. I don't even know what this is, but oh, that's a router too. That's a router. So let's check this router out. Let's bring it over here. See, another router. And then let's go. Let's see. Let's get it. There it is. Oh wow, wow! I already seen it, guys. 74 in PC. Oh, but it is restricted. It is restricted, guys. That's a sad story. Let's check the other listing. It also is restricted. Okay, so that's a sad story. This one is restricted, but you would have made a ton of money on this one. But that one's restricted. There's another one back there, guys. I think I've sold one of these before, actually. So I know that possibly is a go, because I think I've sold one of those back before. So yeah, tons of items here, guys. So at the end of the day, guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this, right? I'm gonna take this and put it back, put it somewhere right here. I'm gonna put it back, right? empty cart along with all the items I've seen that I know I can make money off of, because I do this all the time. Sometimes I don't even get to vlog it. I forget my camera, and I'll just come in here and make my money and just keep it flowing, right, guys? So, but you seen what I did? I just put it back. Why am I putting it back? Why am I putting that stuff back? Why am I about to leave this Goodwill without buying anything? And I am a reseller. I am a reseller. Why am I about to leave? Check this out. Ready? Hold on. Put my cart back. Alright, so I am leaving the Goodwill. What's up? What's up, brother? Hey, what's the address here?
5077.
5077
Westfield Boulevard.
Westfield Boulevard. And this is Centerville or Westfield?
Centerville.
Oh, Centerville. All right. 5077 Westfield Boulevard. All right. Okay. There it is. Little ring out on the camera. But there you guys have it right there. The donation center. I'm going to walk over here just so I can talk to you guys really quick, because I don't think you guys understand what's going on. Basically, I'm going to be showing you guys the best spots, the best places to make money, the places that I've found to make money, the places that other people has found to make money, and places that, you know, people keep going to over and over again and making money every single day, reselling online, offline, whatever the case may be. I'm giving it to you guys. All right, I'm giving it to you guys, all of it. And no one's doing this because, like I told you, this is a selfish industry. This is an industry where you don't give out your stores, you don't give out your location, because all the resellers will come there and you may not be able to buy anything anymore. But you know what I found out is that, like, none of that really matters, man. There's enough for everybody to win. And like I said, the address here is 5077 Westfield Boulevard, Centerville, Virginia. All right, guys, this is where I've made thousands of dollars at this daggone Goodwill. I've made thousands of dollars here. And I'm just giving you the address like that. I just showed you products in there that I could buy right now and make money right now. But I'm not gonna buy them. I'm gonna leave them right there for the first come, first serve people. They may or may not be there when you get here, but I'm not gonna buy them, and I'm gonna leave them there for my fam or whoever's watching this. So at the end of the day, guys, there you have it. No one else is doing this, and I'm going to go around not just my area. I'm gonna be traveling. I'm gonna be doing this everywhere. So, like, this is I would rank this place right here definitely a 9 out of 10. And 10 being the best. I would rank this Goodwill 9 out of 10. I've crushed it here. I've seen many of you guys comment saying that you guys can't even find stuff like that in your Goodwill. This Goodwill is just a really good Goodwill, I guess. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell to get notified. And if you need to know how to actually go about sending in items to Amazon to make money, and knowing how to step-by-step, actually the process on how to do it, all the links will be in the descriptions below, guys, as well as my intro song for those of you that haven't downloaded it or haven't supported and bought it. That would be a blessing if you do, because it's going to help support the traveling. Lesson, you don't have to, but if you do, thank you, because it's going to definitely help the travel aspect of this, as I'm going to be traveling, meeting up with you guys and doing a lot, and just helping find the best places all over the United States, guys. So no one else is doing this. There you have it. My #1 go-to spot of all time in this area that I just gave it away. There you guys go. It's peace and love. I love you guys. Peace.